2023 Akins Ford F-250 Lariat Stormtrooper Covert Edition. Let's review. The 2023 Super Duty really has exceeded my expectations from a drivability standpoint and overall fit and finish of the interior and the killer looks and changes on the exterior. You've seen us do iconic silver for multiple renditions, a few black midnights. Now the Stormtrooper has arrived. This one may be my favorite. Stick around because I'm going to show you this side by side the vehicle that it was in the stock form. Truly a game changer. Covert Edition action in the Stormtrooper fashion. We wrapped the top gloss black to match, did the mirrors agate black to go along with it for that true flowy vibe. Looks so premium. This was a Lariat truck in that it had chrome bumpers, chrome grille, and more. We took that chrome grille and did Oxford white for a true sleek front end. These inner grille portions here were chrome as well. Did that agate black so it looks nice and clean, much like the limited grille, but done up in our custom paint package is truly next level. That trimmer valance down below, we actually made it ourselves, y'all. We trimmed that stock 8-inch long factory valance to the trimmer length and did it Oxford white to match. Did the tow hooks that were chrome Oxford white as well, agate black where the blue was on the front emblem. And then doing the headlights make the biggest difference to me. There was chrome and amber in the headlight. Did black replacement and Oxford white on the outer with some black on the inner portion there. The front end makes a statement. That is so clean. If we would have done those middle bar pieces there in any color, white, or just left it chrome, it would just not have worked. It just flows. It's so sleek and it's so mean. That thing looks so sinister, like a stormtrooper. It's like, I don't know if I'm about to get shot or what, but this thing looks tough. Man, what a front end. It makes a statement. And rolling up with that upper doing in the black fashion. Look right here. This looks so clean. It would look great too, y'all, doing it in white and doing a white mirror with a black cap or some sort of rendition, but that really has that Range Rover sleekness about it that I can appreciate and love. To me, this top done in this fashion on the white vehicle looks better than the silver. The silver looks great too, like we've done on several of our great customers, Brant Bentley and other people, retired Georgia State Patrolman as well. So we've got so many great customers rolling around our customs, and it's important to us to show variations like the TIS 547B, B meaning all black, we're glossed up, 22 by 10, plus 10 on the offset on 37, 12 and a half, 22, we're on 22s, y'all. This is Real Deal's favorite setup. 37s on 22s, and that black wheel, perfect money setup. Got a little chrome right there on the cap just to kind of tie in the white. It looks great. The RT trail is right there with the Ridge Grappler, and then it's that hybrid tire that looks more like a mud terrain, but acts more like an all-terrain overall. 3-inch BDS kit. We got radius arms, money set up all the way around, just like the plus 10 puts us in a sweet spot as far as the stance not being too much. There's no trimming. This man is such a sleek combination. Look, no trimming, money set up. Doesn't rub your sway bar or your rear radius arm. This is that sweet spot offset on a 12 and a half wide, 10 wide wheel, plus 10 offset. Run it with confidence, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. The 6.7 in black and Oxford white. The side badge took the chrome away, removed the texture on that. Oxford white and black. Again, mirrors with switchbacks, white to amber for a nice transition because this was factory amber. It wouldn't be Real Deal. Let's go, y'all. Side step, my favorite. Body color with the step in agate black and the bottom part body color. Again, money set up. Rear wheel well liners, NBRP exhaust. 5-inch tip, couldn't leave that chrome tip on there, no sir. FX4 Covert Edition, this is what I'm so proud about. The Covert Edition has taken over the country by storm because everyone wants to see big old huge lifted trucks. That's what you see at dealerships mostly, is this big huge lifted trucks, and to me that's not the vibe. The vibe is covert lifestyle, leveled out the way I can live in it, do what I want to, and roll without inconveniencing my everyday drivability. Covert, 3-inch, let's go. The body lines of that top is perfect. We did an agate black third brake light to tie it in so nicely. And these tail lights, to me, are perfect, y'all. A light smoke, agate black, a proper and fit, with that border in the Oxford white. Man, that looks so detailed and perfect. Rear Ford emblem to go along with it. We kept that rear rigid SRQs black for a nice contrast, and it flows so well. Obviously you could have done it Oxford white too, but I wanted a little bit of a breakup, the black and the white to balance out, and that's exactly what we have here in this beautiful truck. Now this truck is now available for sale. I want to show you the inside. Again, I've told you time and time again, this Lariat interior on the 2023, to me, it really doesn't make sense to jump to a platinum. Now Limited's a different story, but everything that this truck has to offer makes it make sense to stay right here. We're at 113,533. There's all of our options that we added. PED 35456. Get it on Covert Edition Stormtrooper style. Now let's go back to the dealership and show you some more side-by-side comparisons to educate you. Back at the dealership, I was at Fort Yargo State Park. I go there, the mountain bike ride. It's a great place to go, get on the trail. It's just like 2 minutes down the road. I can even edit on the trail if I want to take a break for a minute, just be out in nature and in peace, get a nice workout in on the mountain bike. You see mine in the back of the truck. This part of the video is comparison time. So race red, this is my truck here, y'all, and I definitely want to take my headlights more like this because we smoked this out and did perimeter. On mine, I had Austin do the perimeter. I got race red perimeter just like the white, but I didn't smoke it. That was me just being a moron. Should have smoked everything out so that red stands out more and tones down some of the red in this fashion right here. So I want these right here. So this is going to be an addition just from me seeing these time and time again with the smoke. That's just my bad right there, y'all. But look, we're 5-inch BDS lifted versus 3-inch BDS lifted for a side-by-side comparison. We're on 37s versus 38s. We're on 24 by 11 0 offset versus 22 by 10 plus 10 offset. So I could have ran this on this, and I wish I would have, because I like to go as least amount of lift as possible to make it work. So I'm not hating on my 5-inch. I love my 5-inch truck. I do like the substantialness and the larger size that it definitely gives and presents itself, but you can run that same wheel and tire combo on this 3-inch kit right here. So this is probably your best balance overall as far as lift amount with tire size. This truck's going to still run. Mine still runs on the 38, so man, it's just, you got great options everywhere. Look how stunning both these trucks are, but this Stormtrooper has a different hit to it. Now look at the front grille difference. You got the chrome grille, the grille that comes on the chrome package truck, and then the sport truck, which what I have, gives you this grille here. So which grille do you like better? I like the honeycomb look, but I love that version right there, all painted up like that. My favorite's probably the Limited grille, which is very similar to this one, except it has a billet grille in those middle bars right there. The Limited is my favorite, but I do like this grille. It looks great, and that one does as well. It's just they both need love. My grille was like a gray color from the factory, obviously with the blue and chrome emblem, and this one was an all chrome grille, what you're about to see. But look at the mirrors. The mirrors showcase, and of course this is a little bit higher as far as the terrain in the parking lot, but look, we're not talking much difference at all. And I'm on 38s and a 5-inch versus 3-inch and 37s. It is not that much of a difference, but nonetheless, whatever vibe you're looking for, we got Everest Edition, which is 4 inches or taller, and then our Covert is 3 inches or less. So whatever vibe you're looking for, we can achieve it for you, and we just do it so much that we're the best, y'all, because we showcase different variations and we test these trucks. We use these trucks on the regular, and we can give you positive feedback and make sure you get exactly what you're looking for. Now this is where the separation starts to begin. This was this. That's right. This truck used to be this truck. 2023 F-250 Lariat, chrome appearance package, chrome bumpers, chrome grille, chrome in the headlights, chrome on the emblems, chrome wheels, chrome running boards, texture, no bueno, chrome, fixed running board, no running board. Come on now, you know we got you with the AMP research. Man, look at the difference. Now look at the mirrors here. So front side heavy versus 3-inch lifted, and then coming around back, that to this. What a distinct difference. I don't care what generation you're from, this truck to me definitely looks 100% better, leveled out with a more balanced out wheel and tire combo size. Overall, with the subtlety paint match, it's in a very classy way. Of course, I love chrome. Chrome's still classy, y'all. It still can work if done correctly. So you see how efficient I was? I gave you something cool to look at. I gave you some comparisons and some information on 5-inch lifted versus 3-inch lifted, and then stock versus custom. Covered edition wins every single time if you ask your boy. Thanks so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button and give me a like. Share this thing everywhere. If you want to buy the truck, that'd be great too. We got another one already in the works. Real deal at Wild Willies at Akins. Man, I'm so pumped up on the daily because I love doing this and I get to bring it to you on the regular. Peace out.